Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Your Ass Hungry Now, and today what we making?
We're making Caesar salad. It's a nice dish made by a man named Caesar Cardini, a nice Italian man in the city of Tijuana, Mexico. You think it'd be made in Italy, but no, he made it in Mexico.
Just a nice classic recipe, you know, the all-time go-to favorite salad.
My favorite for sure. Let's get into this recipe.
Alrighty, we have a nice little piece of focaccia here we made from our bruschetta video. We're just gonna cut these guys in nice little squares for our croutons. We're gonna transfer our croutons to a lined baking sheet of parchment. Glaze over olive oil, salt, and pepper. We're gonna bake these in our oven for 300 degrees for about half an hour. So we have our head of romaine here. First we're gonna start by just discarding any of these loose, ugly leaves. My favorite part is the crispy inners, so good. Anything that looks a little rusty, we just wanna get rid of. So we're gonna start by slicing the romaine heart in half. And then we're just gonna, right here we have our core, so we're just gonna decore it. Slice off the bottom there. And right here we have the little rusty ends, so we're just gonna slice all those off here. We're just gonna slice it in 2 more parts. We're just gonna run our knife down to about 1 inch to 2 inches slice per slice. I have a salad spinner here. First we're gonna start by soaking and washing our lettuce. What this does is give you a nice crispy lettuce. I'm gonna take this over to the sink, spin it off until the lettuce is dry. We got a pot of boiling water. We're gonna place 1 egg in there for 7 minutes.
Now let's make our Caesar dressing. I'm gonna start with 1 egg yolk, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, half of an anchovy, a little dash of hot sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon fresh cracked black pepper, a couple dashes of Worcestershire, 1 clove of garlic, a tablespoon of fresh grated Parmesan, and a little kiss of white wine vinegar. I'm gonna blend this till smooth and to begin to add my oil. Next I'm gonna stream in about 3/4 of a cup of a nice neutral oil. I'm gonna finish it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and continue streaming it in. I'm gonna add some salt, a little more pepper. I'm gonna blend it up.
We have a boiled egg here. We just iced it in cold water. So we can give a little crack-a-doodle-doo, and we're gonna peel it off in the water. We peel it in the water so the water gets into the shell so we don't rip the whites.
Time to finish this salad. Tablespoon of our dressing, a little pepper, a little kosher salt, give it a little mixy mix. Make sure every leaf is coated nicely with your dressing. Throw a couple croutons in. So I don't want them all on top. I want to get little secret crouton nuggets inside. Same with the crispy prosciutto. A little more prosciutto. Fresh grated grana padano. A little more black pepper.
A few more croutons. Our soft poached egg. A little molten salt on the egg.
And there's our Caesar salad.
All right, there we go.
That's our salad.
Let's dig in. Look at that. Wow. Oh, the crispy prosciutto.
Well, let me get it on this. I got nothing. Literally everything fell off the fork.
Oh, dude, that's so good. Nice focaccia croutons. Little poached egg.
That's delicious.
I love that.
Simple
Wow.
recipe. Try this one at home. See you next week.